guys, we're back with Shepherd recalls. I've got Molly out. Max is always kind of watching, making sure what they're doing. So they've got to learn to tolerate smaller dogs. But you've got to be aware that if they start to, go after him. All right, come on, let's take him down here. Off the road. Oh, it's a beautiful day. Oh, Molly. Oh, and Jessica, you need to be ready. If Luna starts to bite your feet, I do. All right, well, Max disappeared. Mack! Definitely want to do the cruising. Want to have a sense of don't go out of my sight. Oh, there's a coming out here. Elliot? Elliot's still, for whatever reason, his turn. I gotta go back and look at his own husband. He does the cinnamon thing. And I'm not sure where that's coming from. But when he, all through, all through, you really don't want that. Mack! So you guys need to practice stuff like this all the time. I'm always going to be formally heeling around and all this. Oh, Ellie, he'll go right out there. So that was the pager, but you see how they both responded to it, even though she only had the pager on it. It was more, it had more to do, you guys, with the cadence of my voice and everything than it did what I was actually saying. But you see how that came in handy where I could get him out of the water. Oh, Ellsworth. That's his trick. Ellie. See what you're really getting with this is quick movement. Mack! Good. Mack! So again, you guys, remember what we're trying to do here is use the pager over and over. Get consistent result over and over. Not try to see if they'll do it without the pager. If there's any scary homeless bums under this bridge, I'll be safe. Molly will get them if any of them. Mack, Elliot, always give them a sense of not disappearing. Listen, pushy shovey. I'm going to stretch my nose when there's dog slime on my nose. For some reason that pipe sticking out of the ground bothers. Barbara and Alfred, you guys are going to have to get Dookie out. You're going to have to take him out. I don't know, maybe you should bring him to daycare at my house for at least once a month. To keep him inundated with other dogs. Oh no, Molly. Molly, what are you eating? Molly! Let's walk over here a little more. Then we are going to the dog park. Molly, please get a zoom in of Molly riding her. Mack? So that's what you guys need to remember at home. Your recall is your most important thing. If nothing else, you should be spending a bare bones minimum of 50% of your training time working just on that. Just on the recall. Mack! Good, good. You really do want, your objective needs to be get them running to you. If you have to, I don't know if you guys remember that one I had a long time ago, Cooper. Dookie! No, look at him run. Molly! Molly had a change of plan then. You know, he was real slow. The collar had been used on him in the wrong way, so he would kind of slink towards you. Molly! See the little delay time in that IQ. And so what I had to do with that one, Mack! Luna! I actually had to run away. Any of you guys should practice that somewhat with the dog in the beginning or whatever, where you're calling them and then you're running away. All right, guys, we will be right back.